Hi guys, today I want to talk about time management on the GMAT because there are so many misconceptions and so many people looking at time management the wrong way and really running themselves in circles thinking about managing their time. And I'm going to start out with the big secret here. If you're actively managing your time on the GMAT, you're doing something wrong. If you're looking up at the clock every problem or every 6-8 problems, you're doing something wrong. The fact of the matter is that successful GMAT test takers don't actively manage their time. They manage their process, and the process then manages the time for them so that they can maintain their entire focus on the problems in front of them and not have to switch their attention away. It's this focus switching, attention switching that actually can really drag down your performance on the GMAT. So let's take a deeper look at what it means to manage your process. And I'm going to start with a story. Most of you out there drive. Just about everyone here rides in a car at least semi-regularly. And during the course of driving around, you will come to traffic lights. And most of the time, you sit at the traffic light. When it's red, it turns green and you go. You don't really think about it. But every once in a while, you're sitting at a light and sitting and sitting and sitting. And eventually this thought creeps into your head. My God, this is a really long traffic light. I'm waiting a little too much time or a little more than normal. And it's that neuromechanism, that sense of time and the sense of something taking a little too long, that is at the heart of what process time management's about. So as you're preparing for the GMAT, keep this process focus in mind. Remember that what you want to do is be sensitive to when something's taking too long. And ultimately, you want to become sensitive to when something might take too long so that you can take appropriate action before you end up spending a bunch of time on a problem that's not going to work for you. Skipping a problem here and there is a part of many elite test takers' GMAT strategies. And you shouldn't ever feel bad about it in the same way you shouldn't feel bad about spending longer on one problem or less time on another. This is one of a series of videos we'll be creating about time management. So subscribe below and keep checking in with us if you want to learn more about how to allocate your time on GMAT. Visit us at ApexGMAT.com for our entire video blog and reach out to us anytime with questions. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.